Hello crafters! Thank you very much for tuning in my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so that you can get notification of upcoming videos. Today we're going to be working crocheting diamond shapes and triangles. So for the diamond shape, we're going to start with chain of 5, slip stitch to join the to make a circle, and we'll do chain of 7 after that, treble crochet, work it right into the circle. So let's wrap the yarn around the hook twice, one more treble crochet, okay. Following, we'll do 2 double crochets, and we'll do a chain 1, 2 double crochet after that, 1 and 2, and then we'll work 2 treble crochet. Let's wrap the yarn around twice instead of once. Okay, one more. Okay, and now we're going to do chain 3. That completes one side of the diamond for the first round. Chain 3, and then we'll work 2 treble crochet, 1, 2, okay, and we'll work 2 double crochet into the circle, okay, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, and a treble crochet, okay, going to slip stitch on the 4th hook at the 4th chain, okay, and then go into the chain 3 space and slip stitch, and we'll do chain 6. That'll count as your first double crochet and a chain 3. So now we're going to work double crochet only, 2 double crochet on this side. Okay, so now we're going to be doing just double crochet for each of the stitch, but instead of working on the post, we're going to be working from the back loop only. I like working from the back loop for this pattern because it gives a little bit more texture to the diamond. It's quite elegant once it's done. Okay. We should have 7 stitches on this side. So now that's 6. And we're going to work the last double crochet into the chain 2 space. Okay, and we'll do chains 2 and another double crochet in that space. And again, double crochet on the back loop only. Okay, 2 double crochet into the chain 3 space. That's going to give us a total 7 stitches on this side of the diamond. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, chain 3 and 2 double crochet into the chain 3 space. And again, we're going to double crochet on the back loop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should give us 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we're going to do another double crochet but in the chain 1 space, and we'll do chain 2 and another double crochet in that chain 1 space. Okay, and then we just continue this round by double crochet on the back loop of each of the stitches that we have. Three, 4, and the last stitch we're going to double crochet into the chain 3 space, and we'll join the round by do a slip stitch on the 3rd chain. Okay, slip stitch, pull it through, and then I like to do slip stitch from the space as well. So just pull the yarn through the space and chain 6 again. Space, we're going to work 2 double crochets. Okay, again, double crochet on each of the stitch on the back loop only. One, two. So directly above the other post, and that would be 9, and this will be our 10 stitch. So it will be in the chain 2 space. Again, we'll do chain 2 and double crochet in the same space and back to the double crochet on the back of the loop. Okay, so in the chain 3 space, we're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 3, and 2 double crochet in the same space. And for the rest of the other corner, we'll just double crochet on the back loop for each of the stitch. So now coming up to the chain 2 space, we're going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet in the same space. Okay, and again double crochet on the back for this other side. We just have to make sure that all of the sides have the same amount of stitch because you want everything to be symmetrical. Okay, last stitch, double crochet into the chain 3 space and do a slip stitch to join. Chain 6, okay, and 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Okay, so this will be our last round for the diamond. If you like it to, if you want to have a larger diamond, then you just continue your rounds. Or if you want smaller, then you can stop before. So for this project, I'm making it 4 rounds altogether. Again, double crochet on the back of the loop, and then coming up to the edge of the diamond where the pivot is, we're going to double crochet in that chain 2 space, and the chain 2, and another double crochet, and just repeat the pattern. So this is a very, very simple project, and the result is quite beautiful. I really like it, especially when you crochet on the back, because you have that a little bit more definition as to for each round of the diamond. A little bit more shape, a little bit more definition. Okay, coming to the other side of the diamond, the same thing, double crochet and chain 2, double crochet, and again we're going to double crochet in the back loop of each of the stitch. Okay, last stitch, double crochet into the chain 3 space, and then we'll just do a slip stitch to the 3rd chain to join the round, and slip stitch to finish off. Okay, stretch the edges or the corners. Beautiful. Okay, so for the last part of this video, we're going to be crocheting a triangle. Again, we're going to do the same thing, chain 5 and slip stitch to join the round or the circle. And we'll just pull the yarn through the middle of the circle there and do a chain 3. That'll count as your first double crochet. And then we'll work another double crochet into the circle. Now we're going to work 2 treble crochets. Okay, 1, 2. So the treble crochet is the same as the double crochet, but you just wrap the yarn twice. And now we're going to do chain 3 and 2 more treble crochet on this side. Following, we'll do 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, and we'll do chain 3. That's your first double crochet. Turn over, and we're going to crochet from the front loop this time. So double crochet on each of the stitch on the front loop on this row. 2, 3, 1 more. Okay, and we'll work 2 double crochets in this. 2 double crochets, following by chain 2. So there should be 7 stitches altogether. 1, 2 chain. Actually, chain 3, sorry. And then 2 double crochet on this other side as well. And again, double crochet on the back loop. Okay, so for the last loop, we're going to crochet directly onto the post. This is going to give us a nice and even base of the base of the triangle, so it's going to be nice and even. So that we should have 7 stitches on each of the sides. Chain 3, turn over. Now we're going to crochet on the back of the loop. So most of my videos, I don't really talk that much and I don't have music on. And if you find this to be too quiet, then please leave me a comment. Let me know if I need to add music or some extra noises or something like that. Thank you. Okay, in the chain 3 space, we're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 3. It's always a good practice to count your stitches because since we're working with triangles and diamonds, so we need to be symmetrical. That means that we need to have the same amount of stitches on each side. Okay, so the other side, we're going to mirror this side. So that's 2 double crochets, and we're going to double crochet in the back of the loop, for all of the stitches. Okay, last round, we'll do chain 3, turn it over, and we're going to crochet onto the front of the loop this time. Okay, so double crochet in every single stitch from the front loop. So the triangles are good shape to learn, because sometimes if you make blankets or something like that with granny squares and so on, or diamonds, then you'll need to have these little triangles for the corners, and they're sometimes called corner squares or corner pieces. Anyway, just make sure that whatever that you're working with, you have the same number of stitch on each of the sides. So in this case, we have, earlier we worked with 10 stitches on the one side, and now it's going to be 13 stitches on this side. And if it's 13 stitches on this side, then we need to work the same amount on the other side. Again, I can't emphasize enough, we need to stay symmetrical. Okay, one more stitch. Okay, 2 more double crochets, and chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Again, mirroring the other side of the triangle, do another 13 stitches and stitch them onto the front loop. I'm super excited because these diamonds and triangles are what I'm going to be using for my next project. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you can get notification of upcoming videos. I can't wait to share the next project with you. It's really exciting. It's very, very cute. And thank you very much again for watching, and give me thumbs up if you like the video. Share it with your friends. And again, subscribe if you haven't yet.